Hello, today we are going to continue our presentations about the Native American culture, specifically relating to the Chippewa tribe. And we are going to discuss leadership. Who remembers which areas we have already covered? Nice job! Today we're going to begin our mini lesson on the structure of leadership within the tribe. Please take out your notebooks to take notes about the session because at the end we will be taking a short open note quiz or worksheet to check your understanding of the topic. We're going to start talking a little bit about the Chippewa history. This was one of the largest groups of Native Americans within the North American section. It contained over 150 different bands. At the time, the Chippewa was the most powerful tribe within the Great Lakes area. Here is a picture of the Chippewa leadership drawing. As you can see outlined, they do have an eagle representing a war from the picture that I had found this. They had the river as well as the travelers that they were traveling to the next site of battle, and then their land that they were originally from. Now we're going to start talking a little bit more about the leadership structure. Traditionally, the Chippewa people were divided into clans. Each band of the Chippewa was identified by a leading clan of the group. The band of people was led by a council of leaders representing each of the clans within the community. Each clan was named after its animal totem. What is a totem? A totem is a natural object, usually an animal, that serves as a distinctive emblem or symbol, a means of identity. Continuing with the leadership structure, according to the oral tradition from the Chippewa, there was only a possibility of 5 totems. Think of that. Of all of the animals, they only had 5 that they chose to be different totems to represent each of these clans. A bullhead, the crane, a pintail duck, a bear, and a moose tail. Each of these also beside, as you can see, has the Chippewa meaning or name beside it. Give you a few minutes to write each of these down. Our next part of the leadership structure is talking specifically about each of these, or just the 2 main ones. The bear was considered the largest clan, and the crane was given to the most vocal of the clans. The last part we're going to talk about is leadership with the introduction into the family structure because it all played a role. The family structure was derived from the clans. The family included the immediate family as well as cousins, since they are all members of the same clan. Older and younger generations than what the speaker was addressed, are they addressed at the same collective terms. And generally, the interclan marriage was not allowed. The leadership councils have decided that the interclan marriage was not allowed because it promoted peace within the clan. There was no fighting over who would marry who. And even then, unknown benefits of genetic variations could occur. So that concludes our brief mini lesson on the leadership structure. So right now for the independent activity, I would like you to take some time and reflect briefly, 5 to 10 sentences, on how the structure would work within your immediate family and community structure. And while you guys are writing your reflections, I'm going to pass out the small quizzes or worksheets on the lesson we had just went over. And remember, they are open book, open note, so as long as you took notes, that would be useful during this. And then once we are finished, I will remember to hand in your worksheets, short quizzes on your way out of the classroom, and have a great day.